using edible spray paint to paint our dogs.
So, you know, traditionally we would like spray paint cupcakes or like cakes and stuff like that, but today we're gonna go untraditional and do it on our dogs.
So we basically have 3 colors. We have the pink, purple, and blue. Now we're gonna be shooting for more of the galaxy look, so we'll see who does a better job.
Alright, let's get on to it.
Okay, so now we have our dogs, and we're just basically gonna go for it. We're gonna see who gets the better dog in the end, right?
Yeah.
And don't worry about the spray paint getting on the dogs. It is edible.
Don't worry.
So I think I'm just gonna start off with the pink, the lightest color, and just see how that goes. You know what? I'm gonna put my hair up because this is getting.
I'm nervous.
This is getting.
I'm nervous.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Come back, Dad, come back.
It's okay, buddy. It's okay.
Come here, buddy.
Are you struggling?
Yes, mostly.
That's unfortunate.
Does he like carrots?
So I got a little bit of the pink down. Obviously I didn't get everywhere, but I'm just gonna fill in with purple. We were worried at first that this wouldn't cover them all the way, but I think I'll do fine.
Galaxy!
Time for the putt. Like a popsicle.
He doesn't want to look out because of his hair. He looks like he's just wet. I should have not worn white Converse for this, you know?
I like the tail.
Thanks.
You're welcome. So here are our finishing products. They're so cute. Okay, you guys, that's it for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed. We sure did. We definitely got paint on ourselves a bunch. I mean, evidence.
Yeah.
And our legs look like they went through a car accident.
Yeah, bruises
So-
everywhere. Traumatic.
Yeah,
Like
like
sorry.
story and everything.
Alright guys, so please click the button down below so you can watch some more videos of us, and please click that like button, and also comment what was your favorite part of this video.
Whose dog was the better one?
I mean, was it hers?
I mean,
Or was it mine?
Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye. So we've been trying for about a good 30 minutes now to get this off of our hands, and
It's doing great.
it's going great. Obviously, she's been doing a lot better than me.
Am I camera ready?